I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you want to cancel the auto renewal on your Peacock TV app, follow these steps to ensure you won't be charged for another subscription period. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock TV app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In the account settings, look for the option that says Manage Subscription or Subscription Details. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Cancel Auto Renewal. Find the option for Auto Renewal and select Cancel Auto Renewal. Confirm your choice when prompted. Note, if you don't see this option, make sure you're not in a free trial period, as that can affect cancellation options. Step 5. Check confirmation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this helps you manage your Peacock subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.